Hi guys, it's Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I am doing a little bit of garden cleanup. I started without you, so I was like, oh, let me get my camera so that I can let you guys come along for the ride. I am pulling off dead leaves from off of my cabbages, brassicas, just say brassicas. Oh Lord, it's in my head. Anyway, pulling out dead leaves from my brassica, so I will take you along for that. Where is my thing so I can put y'all on, so y'all can take a little looky see. All right, I started, but it didn't get far, so I'm gonna set y'all up, and then I'm gonna continue working. I already got some here in this basket, so I'm just gonna start grabbing others and look for worms while I'm at it. And I'm gonna put these in my compost. Okay. I already got the ones from around the back, but I didn't look at these here. And some of these are horrible on the bottom. And touching the ground. I saw one worm, I pulled it off. But that's all I've seen so far. So let's grab these and let's move on over here. All right. Let's start again. I need to harvest these Brussels sprouts. I mean, not Brussels sprouts. These, whatever they are. Bok choy. It's still been getting cold. Look at y'all. I'm feeling all the way over. I let y'all fall. Sorry. Cause ain't nothing I can do about it now. I don't know how when y'all feel or nothing. But I'm doing this celery right here. It looks a mess. See that? A few of it's still good. Then I need to cut it off and bring it in the house. Some kind of that pincher bug is on there. Alright, the rest of those look almost decent. Some of this bok choy is gone. I mean gone. Ain't no turning back. And then they got new leaves sprouting, so I want to take that wood in there and put it in my compost. You don't want to do that. These Brussels sprouts ain't did nothing. You hear me? Nothing. Spinach. Alright, it almost failed. Let's see what these radishes look like. Oh, they big. I'm gonna get one of them. I put it with my lunch. I'm gonna eat me some lunch in a minute. Don't look too bad. Don't look too bad at all. I'm gonna put it on top. I'll let the other ones be. Come back for them later. Let's pull some of these leaves though. I don't want it sucking up everything, trying to save it. Don't want to get one of these Kohlrabis. Try it too. I think I will. Pull it up and we'll try it too. We're gonna leave the roots though. Let them get back to the worms. Some been trying to eat it at the bottom. But that's what we got. So we got a radish. I think that's all I got. My bucket full, but I don't think I got much else up here. Not that's dead. That's dead. This dead. I couldn't figure out. Oh no, I thought that was aphids the other day, but it's not. It's just dying. And my collars are pushing out at the bottom. There and there. Guess that's good. Pushing out new leaves. So we'll see what they do. It's almost Christmas. I don't really have enough to cook because I didn't pull them off. And I let the cold get them. But that's what it is. They sell them at the store. Do got turnips though. Let's go check on them. Those are hanging to the ground. Got one right here that flew from somewhere. These need to be pulled. They're just a mess. But I'm gonna leave them because that's probably what I eat instead of call it some leaves from my cabbages. These onions are pulling to the front to get some sun because I got this thing sitting on top of it. You can see all of them leaning one way. Peas looking good. I wonder why that one didn't come up, the one that was right there. It did not, but it's okay. These look a mess and need to be pulled too. I'm gonna pull them up off the ground. I'm so heavy handed. I need my thing to clip them. Let me go get that. Being lazy. Where the other one at? We're gonna use this one. And then we're gonna put them in the compost and call it a day. This weekend I'm gonna come out here, fertilize. Hopefully it's not too cold or rainy. Just got 3 good days of rain, so the ground is good and wet. Somebody ate one of my onions. It's gone. That one is too. Didn't like that. Didn't like the rain. Yes. The rest of them look fine. Cut off the top of this so it can get out. And it starts trying to sprout. So them two ain't no good. Just push them on down in there. That one's okay. Still hard. Oh, it's that one, but it's don't look good. That one's fine. That one's fine. That one's fine. Push them down a little bit more. All that rain came up a little bit. Alright, let me finish doing what I'm doing. Because it's a work day. Ain't got a lot of time. On a break. Cut off a good leaf. Trying to get a bad one. Alright. Some of them I just let lay in here. I still ain't covered none of this up with no hay. Alright. I got frostbite, but it'll be fine. Alright, that's it. Still don't have not a garlic over here popped up. Not a one. And all of them that I planted in that bucket has popped up. And all of these. So, I don't know why none of these ain't popped up yet. Planted them the exact same day. Well, I don't think none of these down here have either. And maybe I didn't plant them the same day. But I don't see a one. Not a one down here. So maybe I didn't. Maybe the bucket is just warmer. I don't know. But anyhow. Oh, these are all the vegetables. I'm going to add them in there. I already have some food scraps, and this is some that has broken down, but I actually want to process that twice because it had 8 fizz in it. So let's put this stuff in here and get it turned on. I need to turn the light on because y'all can't see, but I'm going to put these over here because I'm going to use them for my lunch, and then get the rest of this stuff in here if it fits. If not, I'll do round 2. Because I don't think it's all going to fit. And then I may just take some back outside and let it compost in place. Or just sit it outside in case it got bugs on it. I don't need no more bugs in here. Alright, that's it. I'm going to shut that up and let it run. Alright, that is it for my garden cleanup for today. Trying to load a video every day. So, um, yeah, what was that? I don't know what that was, but anyway, trying to load a video every day. I'm checking to make sure my stuff ain't got no worms on it. And yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I look forward to seeing you guys mañana. All right, bye-bye.